one of the things that that's very true is that people do tend to come together when there's something other that either threatens them all or benefits them all.
Mm-hmm.
And those are actually fairly hard things to find, particularly since humans have sort of inhabited the whole earth. It's not as much, that you're in some group or tribe or colony and some other group or tribe or colony is trying to kill you. So all of your people come together. That relatively common in history, and an example of what we're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
When you get to everybody on the planet, then you really do need something off the planet. And the last time this really happened was in July 1969. And as you mentioned, this is when Neil Armstrong set foot on the moon. And I happen to remember that point clearly, and it was riveting. And it was also riveting because you realize that pretty much everybody on the planet was watching this at this time. I mean, there were even accounts of warlords stopping fighting and just staring at TV screens or listening to reports. We'd never seen anything like that in our history. And it happened, and there it was, and all of a sudden, this thing that had been just a source of immense amounts of poetry and curiosity and the moon of my heart, and this and that, and all of a sudden, here we are walking on it. It was stunning. It was absolutely stunning. And something like that, to possibly a larger degree, would certainly occur if some sort of extraterrestrial life form actually showed up. And it would even happen to a little bit of degree if we found some sort of living cell. Anything off of this planet that shows life on other planets will bring this planet. It's hard to say unless we actually had contact with this other life form. But if we're just sort of if we just sort of saw what was regarded as an actual UFO or something like that, that for the initial shock of that, humanity could feel a certain commonality about that thing that could come in. But I probably, and again, I'll come back to it unless we contact them,
Mm-hmm.
but probably the same thing would end up happening to us that happened a day or two or three after the moon landing. And that's people that go back to their ethnocentric warfare and disputes and us versus them and all of that.